Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by isolating power to the vent Axia unit, safety first. Once the circuit is off, remove the grill or cover using the correct screwdriver, keeping screws in a small tray. You should already have the replacement filter and gloves ready. This prevents oils and dirt transferring to the new media. Make sure you observe the airflow arrow on the old filter so you know orientation. Once the cover is loose, pull it away gently and expose the filter frame for removal. You now slide the existing filter straight out, keeping it level to avoid scattering dust into the unit. Once removed, inspect the housing for accumulated dust, any signs of mold, and check seal surfaces. Cleaning these areas improves performance. Compare the old and replacement filters for identical size and media type, and confirm the airflow arrow matches the unit's direction. If seals are degraded, replace them before installing the new filter. You insert the new vent Axia filter with the arrow pointing the same way the old one did, seating it fully into the guide tracks so there are no gaps. Once the cover is secured, restore power and run the fan on low. Listen and feel for smooth airflow. Make sure the unit reaches normal operating speed. This confirms no obstruction. If you hear rattles or notice weak flow, switch off, reopen the housing, and recheck the seal and filter seating. Often a misaligned filter causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.